This is the Aqara Smart Lock U200, the ultimate smart lock retrofitted for you. Efficient, silent, all top tier features, and best of all, with our exclusive offer you can get this device for the lowest price ever, so don't miss out. It's the first link in the description. This is a state-of-the-art smart lock, fully smart home ready, super DIY friendly, and it looks amazing too. And all of that for a price point that you won't believe. So yeah, looks and sounds amazing, right? But is it actually that good? Well, let's find out. New drip. Got the new drip from Aqara, the Smart Lock U200. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. Yeah, now let's check it out. So here we have the box. We have this side right here, this on the other side. We have this right here on the back, small print on the bottom, and the top is just blank. And this was just a wrapper of the actual box. And after removing, or rather cutting these seals, we can open it up just like that. And here we go. We have the lock all wrapped up right there. Absolutely beautiful. And we also have the keypad right there. Really nice. All right, and down here we have all the paperwork as well as the boxes with all the accessories, of course, for wall mounting it. So let's get straight to it. So on this box we have a little quick start guide, and let's get in there. So here we have the batteries, very nice to have. And in here we also have all the adapters for deadbolt systems, so a wide variety, and they look like that. And the last piece would be the battery, and you can remove this one, really awesome, with the USB-C charge port right there, and this right here on the back with all the small print contacts. Really cool. We will get tools that will fit the tiny screws, talking about screws and such, dowel screws for wall mounting it, double-sided duct tape, and we have all sorts of cutouts with different thicknesses for putting it on. Also this bracket right there, that's metal by the way. We will also get a really nice carrying pouch that we can zip up like so. Beautiful. And of course the paperwork. So this on the front, this on the back. Of course it's multi-language. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the rest are safety precautions. Let's go. So to recap, paperwork, screws, dowels, the battery, adapters, as well as mounting hardware, and I forgot about the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, batteries. So yeah, there we go. Done with it unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So there we go. So first of all, let's remove all the remaining covers, and this will make the lock come apart. So we have the back plate right there. Let's start with the keypad. Really nice buttons. We have the fingerprint as well as the NFC reader on here as well. We can slide down this plate like so for wall mounting it. This keypad will require the batteries and the lock. Really nice. Solid build quality for all the parts. So yeah, let's take a close look. Again, let's start with the keypad. Really nice front side right there. We have this on the bottom, these 3 holes. This is the top, as well as the sides. It's just blank. Nice matte gray body with shiny black highlights. Again, the batteries, they will fit in here, just like that. And the other one as well. And after wall mounting this plate... Scan the setup code to add Aqara Smart Door Lock. Okay. Please put the keypad close to the door lock, then try again later. So after mounting this or gluing it onto a wall, we can just slide on the keypad like that. It will pop in place nicely. So this one is fully active. And of course, I forgot about the actual battery cover lid right there. No problem, and go. And for the lock, we have the back plate right there. Absolutely beautiful. And this will fit US deadbolt systems and also European locks. And here we have the main unit right there. As I said, we will take it apart later. Same color scheme, absolutely beautiful with the brand right there and this on the back side. Let's go. Not bad, right? So let's set it all up, check out the app, and then of course test it. That's the app right here. We have the publisher. There is only one app. You can't go wrong. Aqara Home. Let's open it up. And first of all, let's agree. Choose the region. For me, this would be Austria. And now we need to sign up and create an account. Insert the code and go. Password. Okay. Let's agree to that. And here we have the Aqara Copilot. We can activate it now. Agree. And we can exit this right now. We can turn on the push notifications. Allow that. Give it all the permissions for the locations as well as our services. And there we have it. So a quick rundown. Here we have the dashboard with with our home. We have the drop down. We can manage it. We can select different areas of the house, and also we can add devices right there. We have the accessories. All of that will get filled up after time. We have automations. Here we can create scenes and schedules and all of that good stuff, even for different rooms. And we have the user profile right there with the message center, as well as third-party add-ons, as well as the AI lab with the Copilot and also the settings right there. Okay, and the Copilot, we also have it right there straight in the middle, and we can give it the permission for the audio. So wherever we are in the app, when we click on here, when we tap and hold, we can speak, slide up to cancel, and when we just click it, it will open up the Copilot. Really awesome. So let's add an accessory. So we have smart door locks right there. U200, we have it right here. And we will now go through the installation tutorial as well. Loading, and we will go for a deadbolt system. So first of all, we need to remove the old hardware. Next, conditions for installing, match. And now it's already getting interesting. We have the fixed plate right here. We need to rotate it by 180 degrees. So let's follow along this guide. Removing the screws is super easy, super smooth. And just like that, we can take it out and rotate it and put it back in. Okay, so next we use the original screws. So just like that. Simple as that. Now let's find the right adapter, which would be this one. This one might work as well, but let's just slide it in. I will get to that in a second. So next we can already install the lock. For this we can just use a fingernail and the cover will pop off like that. And now in here we have the stickers as well as the battery tray, and we can also now slide it in. Fits really nicely, and the adapter is spring-loaded right there. So we have a wide variety of adjustability, and we also have shorter or longer adapters. So I will do it the other way around, adapter and the lock, and let's insert it, and just like that. And to test, now we can already lock and unlock the door. Awesome. Let's lock the door and let's insert the battery, charge contacts up there, and press it in. Really nice. We have the status LED going, and just like that we can close it back up. And that was the install. Super easy, super quick, great tutorial, step by step, very easy, super beginner friendly. Next, and it performs nicely. Next, now it's all about the keypad, but we already did that. So let's move it over and put the keypad right there. We can now also stick the keypad somewhere. We already loaded up the batteries, slide it on, and there we go. So let's activate this system. So I was a bit too fast on that part. First of all, I still need to insert the screws. So that's better. And next, let's press and hold the set button to activate the pairing mode. I have now reoriented the lock, and that's much better. And now again, let's press the set button 3 seconds or until it beeps. And it did the calibration right away. Nice. And next, give it the permissions for the camera, and now we can scan the QR code, and the connection is as easy as that. And now, wow, this was fast. Just like that, it was added. We can change the name right there, and we can also set the location. Many options. Default is fine for this test. Next, here we can select the icon. There is more, and we also have another chance to rename it. We can add it to the dashboard, and we need to create a new board, of course. Just like that. Let's wait for that to finish. Now we need to give it all the permissions. So, and here we go. Here we have the dashboard. That means, first of all, we can now close up the body. Up there we have the settings, and that's fine though. So we can check it out right there. We have FAQ, user manual, all of that good stuff. Firmware version as well. And let's go back. Here we have tons and tons of function settings. So for this, as you can see, we need to activate the keypad first. And for that, we just click any button.
Please scan the setup code to add Aqara Smart Door Lock.
Simple as that, as you saw. Add user. Let's go for a simple password. Let's go. And again.
Added successfully.
Right, perfect. Let's just name it pad, and let's
Please
go.
capturing new fingerprint.
Let's scan the fingerprint right away.
Continue capturing more. Continue capture fingerprint.
Oh yeah,
area.
that's super fast.
Capturing fingerprint area. Continue capture. Continue capture. Continue capturing. Added successfully.
Nice.
Owner added successfully.
That was my index finger done. We have the US lock done. So we are closed and unlocked. That's right. So let's click on start. It's now doing the calibration. Okay. Simple as that. Okay, wide enough to exit. Next. Now this, start, and just like that, we are done. And of course, we can also do it manually. And let's close it up. It was recognized. We don't have the Meta controller. So back to the fully configured smart lock. So now we can check out the settings. We have voice and sound. We can set the volume right there. We have an alarm notification and a language right there. We have the auto lock. This is awesome. Let's go for 5 seconds as well. Auto lock is always great for safety. We have the quiet mode. Here we can set the unlock speed basically from slow, quiet, medium and fast. But also on the fast setting, it's rather quiet. Here we have more settings for that, mute or quiet. And we can also schedule the quiet mode with start and end times. Really cool. So for nighttime basically. Failed attempt lockout. Oh, that might be a problem. So let's go for that, at least for this demo. Night latch mode, auto turn lock. Ah, that's a convenient feature. So basically when we turn it a bit, it will then do the full locking motion. As you can see, we have tons of modes. Passage mode, we can go for another round of calibration. And down here, we have all the Matter configuration to get into the world of smart home. But since this would blow the scope of this video, let's finally check out the dashboard and how we can lock, unlock it, and set some unlocking methods. So first of all, we can lock it through the app, just like that, and also hold to unlock. This is real time, it's super fast. We have the logs right there. And when we open it up and then close it back down, we just have to wait a few seconds for the auto lock. And there it was. We have it in the logs as well, right there. We have the user management. Here we can add more users. We have, of course, me as the admin. Then we can also add family members, general users, and temporary users. We can give them fingerprints or other passwords. And right here, we also can add any NFC chip. For this, we just need to put it right there. And we can, of course, also generate a password. So this would be 13579246880. Next, and there we go. Done. We can delete the user down here, and just like that, we can unlock it with the fingerprint. Wow, that was super fast. And we also have the status in here as well. It will absolutely sense it. That's amazing. There we go, and locked. Door is secure. Of course, we can also use the keypad. So right here, I unlocked it manually, and I can lock it just like that. And of course, I can type in the code. Just like that. And enter, and it will also unlock just like that. Super fast. Again, lock it like that. Unlock it over the app. Super fast and super convenient. Here we can see that Bluetooth is connected. The Metro controller is not connected. And right here we can set the mode. We have the standard mode right there. And we have the Bluetooth mode that supports only direct connections and no remote control. Right on. So as you can see, great looks, super easy to install, great features. And lastly, I want to show you the quiet mode. Quiet. So let's lock the door. And now there's the quiet mode once again. Unlock. And there we go. Nice. And thanks to the auto lock and similar features, it's such a safe system. Super quiet during the night. And for all those great features, it is actually super affordable. And again, if you connect it with a Metro hub, then you can access this door lock from all over the world thanks to the power of the internet. Extremely powerful for Airbnb or similar use cases, many visitors, temporary passwords, all of that good stuff. It can do it all and more. So yeah, massive thumbs up from my side. The app is looking amazing and the U2 Smart Lock is awesome. And to expand the features and functionalities vastly, there is also the hub. That's the box. Many features. As you can see, it's smart home compatible and super versatile. And it's also doubling as a thermostat and as a presence sensor. So let's check it out. So here we have it. Everything will come out in one go. So we will get a nice and long USB-A to USB-C cable for it. The hub is all wrapped up and looks like that. Absolutely beautiful. We will get a dedicated manual for it as well. Mounting hardware and the plate for the wall looks like that. So you can slide it in like so. It will snap in place nicely. And the hub itself has a button up here, a nice rubber base, great stability. So you can place it or wall mount it. And in here we have Ethernet and USB-C. So let's power it up straight away. So there we go. We're all powered up. Let me click in the back plate and put it here.
Ready to connect. Please open the Aqara Home app.
And with that said, let's open up the app. So check this out, the device was found already. So we can click on it and scan the code. The codes are right here and this is what they look like. So we have the pairing codes So when we scan it, we can proceed. Let's click on start accessing the network. We want the Wi-Fi connection. Let's enter the password.
Network connecting. Please wait.
Now it's flashing blue, and at all times we have the assistant available as well.
The account is bound successfully. Welcome aboard.
That's dope. So we are ready to go. Right, now we can change the name, but that's fine. And we can also change the location, but that's fine too. Next, now we can select the icon, but all of that looks fine. Loading. Now look at that. We have it right here. It's online. Oh, there are new cards available, but let's just check out the hub for now. And yes, with this, you can begin your journey of IoT. There are so many things that you can do, but this would totally blow up the scope of this video. I was just notified about a firmware update, so let's do it right now. And we will be back in a bit. So there we go. Let's go back. And you can check it out right here in the message center at any time. Okay, once again. Okay, let's check again. Now we're up to date. Perfect. These are all the device settings right there. We even have unlock over automations and self-healing Wi-Fi mode. So many top features. So child devices, let's click here. Bluetooth 0, let's add one. We have the door lock U200. Skip that, of course. Now we can scan the code, start accessing the network. Almost there. Added successfully. Let's click next. Done. I had to do a full reset to connect it, so I won't go through the full setup once more and add a new user, new passwords, fingerprints and all of that good stuff. The thing that the hub will do is that it will connect the lock to the internet. So now everything that you just saw with the lock inside of the app, you can now basically do it outside of your Wi-Fi network. You can leave your flat and access the lock, receive notifications, unlock and lock it from all over the world. That's the power of the hub. So if you want to access your lock remotely, definitely get the hub. If you like smart home stuff, definitely get the hub. So as you saw, excellent build quality as well as hardware with a really cool design and all those features and capabilities for such an amazing price point. It is so much better than the competition in pretty much all regards, especially in this price segment. I'm absolutely amazed. So many great features. The app is outstanding. It's extremely customizable, extremely versatile. It's just top tier value right here. Aqara just always brings value to the table with great looking devices and a top of the line ecosystem. And the U200, without any doubt, offers all the state of the art features that smart locks provide and more, much more. And all of that is packed up inside of inside of two very sleek looking minimalistic bodies, top-notch features, a great companion app. And if you get this, then definitely get ready to look into the Metro ecosystem as well, because this will open up a whole new universe of control for this lock. But even without all the online features, it is a great and secure system. But if you want to enter the world of smart home, well, then that's a must-have. And trust me, it's awesome. So yeah, great features, especially for the price point. It brings so much value to the table. It's super affordable. It's just unbelievable. And best of all, aside from all the awesome software features, online capabilities and unlocking methods, you still can use a mechanical key as a backup. So with this, you will get the best of both worlds, the digital effortlessness and convenience and the good old safety of a manual lock. So just in case if the battery fails or anything like that, you can use a key or you can just, turn it to open it. So yeah, this lock can do it all. PIN, fingerprint, app unlock, NFC chips, temporary codes, all of that stuff. Cutting edge on all fronts. So all in all, the U200 is a definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button and subscribe. Ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.